So do we have any quantum physicists here? Yep, okay. So this song is all about quantum tunneling. Socks, 3 socks, 4 socks, still can't find a pair of socks, 4 socks, 5 socks, I can't find a pair of socks, 7 socks, 8, guess I'm gonna be late. One socks, 2 socks, still can't find a pair of socks, 3 socks, 4 socks, I can't find no pair of socks, 5 socks, 6 socks, still can't find any pair of socks, 7 socks, 8, guess I'm gonna be late. How can this be? Is this reality or just the strangeness of my quantum washing machine? Quantum washing machine, quantum washing machine, quantum washing machine. Washing machine, quantum washing machine, quantum washing machine, quantum washing machine, quantum washing machine. Thank you very much. We are ready to control lobsters.